changing the background color in Canva is a very simple task. All you have to do, of course, is first select the background. Now, if your background isn't visible because of different elements being on top of it, you can press Alt+1 to open up the position window and you can select your background from here. Once your background is selected, go ahead and click on this background color option right here. Now, this will open up the colors panel where you can go ahead and choose from a bunch of different colors. So you can choose colors from your brand kit, you can choose colors from any photos or elements that are on the current canvas, and then of course you have the option of choosing from solid colors and then a few gradients. So I can have a bunch of different gradients on here. I can have a static color if that's what I like, and if you want to add a custom color, go all the way to the top, select the add a new color option, and then you can create a new color or use a new gradient. So you can type in the hex code if you like. You can open up the color picker and pick the color from any element on your screen. So for example, I can go ahead and select this and it will immediately change the color of my background. Or if you want a gradient, you can just click on the gradient option, select the two gradient colors. So I want this to be a red and yellow gradient, and then you can choose the different styles of gradients. So you want a circular one, linear one, a bunch of different options right here. Once you're done, click away from it, and that's it. That's how you change the background color in Canva. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and if these videos do not help you out as much, do consider getting a membership. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video.